Hello guys and welcome to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. So in my previous video, I showed you how we can prepare our own market types thick aloe vera gel, and I promised you guys to come up with many innovative skincare and hair care DIY cosmetic ideas using this thick aloe vera gel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two types of shampoos and conditioners using this thick aloe vera gel and a few other organic ingredients. I have tried and tested these recipes before sharing with you guys. So let's begin. But before we start, quickly press that subscribe button and bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm using two ingredients in these shampoos and conditioners which require soaking overnight: rice and fenugreek seeds. So soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice in 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in approximately 1 glass of water overnight. Next day, strain the rice water and fenugreek seed water and keep them aside. Blend the fenugreek seeds with a bit of fenugreek water until a smooth, even paste is formed, and cook the overnight soaked rice and make a paste out of it. Strain the paste. And you'll get a gel-like consistency like this. First, we are making aloe vera fenugreek seed shampoo and conditioner, and for that we will require our homemade aloe vera gel. Here I am using aloe vera gel prepared with guar, but you can use any of the 4 aloe vera gel I prepared with 4 different ingredients in my previous video, except the gelatin one. Liquid castile soap, jojoba oil, fenugreek seed water, any essential oil. Here I am taking rosemary essential oil, and preservative. First, in a bowl, take 5 tablespoons homemade aloe vera gel. If you want to know how you can prepare a thick aloe vera gel at home, you can refer to my previous video. The link is mentioned in the description. 5 tablespoons liquid castile soap, one tablespoon jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed water, 8 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 1/8 teaspoon preservative. Considering we have already added preservatives in our homemade aloe vera gel. Stir well and mix all the ingredients until there is a uniform consistency formed. Fill this shampoo in an empty airtight container and label the container with ingredients and date. To use, take a small amount in your palms, add a little water and lather your hair with this shampoo just like your regular shampoo. It is a very mild and gentle shampoo and you can use it daily. For aloe vera fenugreek seeds conditioner, we need homemade aloe vera gel. Here I am using aloe vera gel prepared with xanthan gum, avocado oil, fenugreek seed paste. You can also make a paste out of fenugreek seed powder, lavender essential oil, preservative, and fenugreek seed water. In a bowl, first take 4 tablespoons homemade aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon avocado oil, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed paste, and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed water. Stir well and mix all these ingredients properly. In the end, add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil and 1/8 teaspoon preservative. Stir again until they mix properly with other ingredients. Fill this in an empty airtight container and our homemade aloe vera fenugreek conditioner is ready. Label the container with date and ingredients. Apply this conditioner on your hair and scalp and keep it on for 2 to 3 minutes, exactly like you use your regular conditioner. This will be a little sticky because we have added fenugreek paste in it, but the results are amazing. Now we are making our aloe vera rice water shampoo and conditioner, and for that we will require homemade aloe vera gel. I am using aloe vera gel prepared with carbomer powder, liquid castile soap, virgin coconut oil, rice water, any essential oil, and preservative. Add 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Stir the gel. Now add 5 tablespoons liquid castile soap, one tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 1 tablespoon rice water, 8 to 10 drops of essential oil, and 1/8 teaspoon preservative. Stir well and mix all these ingredients properly. If you feel the consistency is a little liquidish, then add 1 drop of triethanolamide, also known as TEA, into it and stir well. Add this shampoo in an empty airtight container and label the container with date and ingredients. This is a deep, nourishing shampoo with the goodness of aloe vera gel and rice water. For our aloe vera rice conditioner, we need homemade aloe vera gel, extra virgin olive oil, rice paste, essential oil, and preservative. In a bowl, first add 5 tablespoons homemade aloe vera gel, tablespoon rice paste, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 8 to 10 drops of essential oil, and 1/8 teaspoon preservative. Mix all these ingredients until properly mixed. And our homemade aloe vera our rice conditioner is ready to use. Fill it in an empty airtight container. And label the container with date and ingredients. Use it as your regular conditioner. It is super creamy and nourishing conditioner. Try these shampoos and conditioners and don't forget to give me your feedbacks about them. And if you have any questions regarding this, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.